finally made it down here to Lakeside, which is over by San Diego, to RDO Equipment. What a stressful ride, I tell ya. No one respects oversize. People need to learn how to drive around oversized a little bit better. A couple of close calls coming down here. So, okay. All visitors must check in the front office. Alrighty, guess I'll be back at ya. Alrighty, so I got checked in. They said go over to the loading dock to unload. So, alrighty. Gotta take it easy through here, you know. Should have my beacon on, huh? That's going to be nice and narrow. Just leave your shit laying there all over the place, you know. Not like I can navigate through that. I guess I'll have to. I'm just going to wash this generator. Go up to that dirt pile up there and unload there. See if I can do that. Some of these places can be wide open as ever. You can plant corn out there. Some of these places can be really narrow and you really need to be paying attention to what the hell you're doing. Alright, I'll get back to you. Alright, like I said, I made it here to RDO. Now I get to unload it. It's a nice sunny day in the 80s here. So yeah, time to separate and get the chains off of this here and get this fat girl off my trailer. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. When you're operating a piece of machinery like this, you gotta look for overhead line clearances around you. But be very careful. Alright. Safety brake off. Let it come off even. Okay, this is a teetering point. Oh, that was kind of freaky, wasn't it? Alright, I'm officially off the trailer. Alrighty. Alright, I'm far enough away from my trailer. No overhead. Safety latch is on. Machine is off. Alright. Now that I got this here off the trailer, time to get the truck hooked back up, get the paperwork signed, and get out of here. I'll get back to you. Alrighty. Excuse me, I'm out of breath here. I'm out of shape too. Excuse about the wind just picked up here. That's kind of a welcome thing. So, whew, lordy, lordy, lord. 80-degree day. So I delivered that 245. Got everything hooked up and put away. Do my walk around, make sure everything's connected and secure the way it's supposed to be. Dog bones are together, pins are in, lines are up, fifth wheel's locked. Everything's supposed to be, everything's nice and tight. Lights are still working. Everything's aired up somewhat. Checking the tires. Can never be too safe doing this job. The minute you get rid of safety, it's the minute you could hurt somebody, hurt yourself, or kill someone, or kill yourself. So always take extra time to walk around, take a look at things, look at overheads. You know, that's a big piece of machinery. I picked it up last Friday in Tacoma at the ports. Waited till Tuesday for permits. Then I trucked it on down here to San Diego area, to the town of Lakeside. Alright, time to get out of here. Dusty! Woo! Dusty! Time to get out of this place. For those of you that got a load for tomorrow morning in Arizona. Gate opens inward. Thank God for air conditioning, man. 82 degrees here. Have a good day. God bless. My friends in Israel, I'm praying for you.